Dry aging meat is one of the oldest techniques in cooking in the world. From Greek and Roman times, we would hang meat in cold and dark places and let the enzymes break down the proteins of the meat and give it an almost unnatural tenderness and imbue it with just the most complex flavors imaginable. But this is America, and we don't have patience for that. So I'm going to show you how to dry age your steak in just between 4 and 24 hours using Shio Koji. Shio Koji is what we could call kind of a magic mold. It's the same thing behind miso and soy sauce. So this is Shio Koji. As you can see, it's got this kind of like weird, funky consistency. I'm not even going to get into it. Oh, I think we got something kind of crazy. Okay, this is definitely funky. You can really see the there's a lot of kind of dry age looking stuff happening. Scrape off as much of the gunk as I can. This does not look like your average store-bought steak. This looks a bit like dry age. It looks okay. Let's taste it. Like normally, again, I would sous vide it, so it's like a lot more consistent across. As you saw, it's a little gray on the edge, but let's see. Oh my God. Okay, so, damn. Dry aged meat, when I have actually splurged for it, it has this kind of like nutty, almost, everyone says umami, but everyone says umami about everything, so it doesn't mean anything anymore. Damn, this is really good. It's like nutty. There's so much flavor, more so than normally if I cook a steak, and I just seasoned this with a little bit of salt. I got chimichurri right here, but I don't think I even want it. If we're gonna rate this, it's a little bit of work, but honestly, I would highly recommend doing this because this is just like buying dry aged beef I've done before. I don't do it often, but this really can up your steak game. Like, I'm serious. And I do a lot with steak. I still would have probably sous vide it. It's still, the edges are still a little bit, I like it more evenly cooked throughout, even though they say on Reddit to not sous vide your dry aged meat. I probably would do that, but there is something to this. I think I'm going to try it again.